Intake facility system is located at the front of the intake structure of thermal power plant, petrochemical plant, desalination plant, and industrial plant. The primary purpose of the seawater intake system is to provide a reliable source of seawater to downstream by removing the debris such as marine life, fish, shellfish, and other debris from influent seawater. The operating method of trash rake is based on on-site operation, and trash rake is operated by a local control panel. The operating mode of trash rake is one cycle operation, and one cycle operation consists of 4 operating steps. First, with the start command, the rake is lowered down the upstream face of the bar screen with the teeth in the open until it reaches the channel bottom. Second, when the rake reaches the lower position near the channel bottom, it is stopped by position sensor and the teeth are rotated to their closed position. Third, the rake is lifted up the upstream face of the bar screen, collecting accumulated debris. Finally, as the rake reaches the discharge position above the operating deck floor, the teeth are opened and at the same time, the debris is discharged into a concrete trough. When all the cycle operation is finished, the rake is moved to another channel and the cycle operations are repeated. As a standard control, drum screen can operate in manual operation and automatic operation, and there are 2 types of operating methods in automatic operation. One is differential level control and the other is periodic time control. Under the operating method of differential level control, drum screen is operated by the value of the water level difference between upstream and downstream of the drum screen. Also, it is operated at low speed or high speed, depending on the water level difference. If the water level difference decreases to low level point, drum screen will be stopped. But before a complete stop, it will be operated for a few minutes to prevent drying and sticking of debris on the wire mesh panel and trough. With the initial startup method of the drum screen, the washing water flows into drum screen when the spray washing pump is started and MOV is opened. If the pressure of washing water reaches the set pressure, drum screen is activated. Under the operating method of periodic time control, drum screen is operated once 7 hours and 40 minutes for 20 minutes, 3 times a day by the time sequence. The interval and running time can be adjusted in the settings menu. The initial startup method of drum screen for periodic time control is the same as that for differential level control. The stop gate is used for equipment maintenance. It is used to seal off screen bays and pump bays to allow dewatering of each channel for maintenance purpose. The stop gates have to be stored in a storage stand during the normal operation. In order to lift the stop gate, lifting beam is used. In order to lift the stop gate that is stored in the storage stand, the weight of lifting beam should be on the outside. In order to lift only the lifting beam after placing the stop gate on the channel bottom, the weight of lifting beam should be on the inside. In order to lift the stop gate again, the weight of lifting beam should be on the outside. Before lifting stop gate, equalizing valve must be open first, and then the water level in front of and behind the stop gate must be equal. When the water level stays about the same, the stop gate must be lifted. The debris collected from trash rake and drum screen is moved to the trash container by washing water through the concrete trough. Then, if the trash container is full of debris, it is transported by the transportation equipment such as cargo, hoist, and monorail.